Happy Sunday and welcome to Cars for Kids, annual show or charity show hosted by Smith Garage.
Yeah. I've been missing it for a couple of years. We've just been doing other stuff, so we're here now.
And it's a local show, literally in the backyard, and we always miss it. Well, we don't always miss it. I've come a few times, but the year before last, it happened on the same day as Beamer Fest.
Last year,
Same day as Gas, so we're in KZN. But yeah, this year, Beamer Fest done, Gas done, Cars for Kids. Check.
Why not?
So let's go see what's happening.
All right, in front of me, I see Barney.
It wasn't copywritten, Barney. He's a dinosaur.
It probably was copywritten.
Yeah, so we just took over this section here. We got the V12 lined up over there. We got the V6 lined up over there. And Barney's 4-pot lined up over there. Should have been a 3-cylinder.
I was about to say,
They could half it.
It would have been a great number sequence. Well, it's
12,
close enough.
6, 3.
It's close enough. It still goes from smallest to biggest.
It does. Left our section here and we're gonna walk down the line past Automotive, past Nacefield Paints. We've got a couple of clean Mark 1s. Huh?
I want to see us
We'll get it. It sounds like a road to me. Then we've got a City R, not R, a few GTRs.
That thing.
The Bel Air, yes. And is that a 2-door, 4-door?
4-door. But it is shorter, eh? It's not as long as... That was that road, but then now we're gonna head down this way to 357 and NV Performance, and Strada is also down there. We'll see if it's a little bit more quiet and we can speak.
We'll see what performance cars are going on. it's a lot more quiet this side.
Oh, it's so much easier to film this side.
And you got so you got Mzansi Autospar, you got NV Performance, you got Strada, you got the 357, you got Detail Each, you got Exclusive Auto.
You got VW the Glen.
Wait,
Behind you.
Sorry. Everyone's got big gazebos, big banners, VW.
It's right behind you.
Oh, right. Here's VW the Glen. Sorry, local VW. Yeah, so try go that side, and then we'll catch the other 2 rows that we're missing. Okay, it's a bit loud this side, but I've lost Jose along the way, so now we're going to hit the 2 last rows of the show. It is loud, obviously. There's a lot of revving and stuff going on.
Filming today was nearly, especially in this section, was nearly impossible.
Yeah. But yeah, shout out to Smith Garage for putting this together. All the proceeds do go to underprivileged kids. And the Kids' Choice Award is a Lambo. I think I caught the Lambo in the video. I mean, I was Kids' Choice. So you wanted the kids to pick your ship?
Rest in peace to
It would have been nice. But I would have chosen the Lambo too.
Yeah, exactly.
No, as I said I would have chosen the Lambo too.
Fair. Okay, yeah, so thanks Smith Garage, thanks everyone at who organized Cars for Kids. You guys have been doing it every year. If it lines up again, we'll see you next year. If not, we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.